Hello everyone, and welcome to My Natural Hair Delight, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. In today's video, we are going to do natural hairstyle number 15, okay? We are almost done with the 24 natural hairstyle series. If you have not yet checked out the first natural hairstyle, please go to the playlist and you can check out all of the natural hairstyles in the 24 natural hairstyle series, okay? This encourages those of you who have natural hair, who's rocking their real hair but don't really know what to do with it, don't really know what kind of styles to wear. This 24 natural hairstyle series is made just for you, okay? So this is going to be natural hairstyle number 15. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take down my twist, and I'm simply just going to have my twist out on one side and just have my braid on this side. So as you can see, I braided to my scalp on this side, and I'm simply just going to take down all of my twists . Now I'm simply just going to take this side and I'm just going to pin it down, giving it a nice side twist out. Okay, so I'm just going to use a few bobby pins to pin it down. Okay, this is natural hairstyle number 15, and I'm just going to give you a quick turnaround of this hairstyle. hair was simply water, olive oil, and flaxseed gel. Okay, those are the only 3 ingredients. Actually, I did use my Moringa Delight hair growth oil on my scalp. Okay, now I didn't apply it to my entire hair simply because I wanted to just use it for my scalp. And so what I have done to apply moisture to the rest of my hair was simply water, olive oil, and flaxseed gel. Okay, so that is how I produce, well, I didn't produce it, the Lord produced this wonderful, beautiful twist out. I've just simply applied the natural ingredients that He's already created on my hair to simply show you all that you can rock your natural hair with all natural ingredients that's going to help boost your hair growth and make your hair more moisturized, make your hair healthy, shiny, and strong. Okay, so these are the natural ingredients that I love to introduce to you all, because some women do not know about flaxseed gel. I've had a lady ask me, like, what is flaxseed gel? And I simply just told her it is just made out of water and flax seeds. Okay, this is something that I wish I would have learned back then, because I would have applied it to my hair a long time ago. I wouldn't have used all of the other unnecessary ingredients that are not natural and that are actually toxic to my hair and my skin. Okay, so if you would like to produce a wonderful, fluffy, beautiful twist out on your hair, I would highly recommend using flaxseed gel. Okay, there are other natural gels that can produce a wonderful twist out, but flaxseed gel is the number one go-to, my number one go-to that I use on my hair to produce a wonderful, a beautiful twist out. Okay, so, but you also want to make sure that you apply some kind of oil or some kind of hair moisturizer before applying the flaxseed gel to your hair. You don't want to use just flaxseed gel alone, and you also want to make sure that you spray your hair with water before applying any kind of gel to your hair, because you don't want to produce any flakes, any dryness. Like, you don't want your hair to be drier than what it's supposed to be. So yes, it's a little technique of how to use flaxseed gel, but flaxseed gel is not that complicated to use. It's just a matter of applying enough water to your hair before applying the flaxseed gel. What I normally do is I usually spray my hair with water in each section, and then I apply my olive oil or hair moisturizer, such as my Moringa Delight hair butter, and I just finger detangle my hair, and then I apply the flaxseed gel. I also finger detangle my hair as I'm applying the flaxseed gel. So I'm topping it off with the flaxseed gel and just finger detangling each section of my hair. I usually part my hair in 4 sections. I actually have a full tutorial of this video of how to do this particular hairstyle. So if you would like to learn how to do this hairstyle, you can simply go to my website at mynaturalhairdelight.com/hair courses. Okay, if you have liked this video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight, and I will talk to you all again soon. Bye bye.